Duct Dehumidifier LB-11-DCD removes up to 20 liters of moisture per day and operates efficiently within a temperature range of 5 to 38 degrees Celsius. It's ideal for humidity control in hospitals, residential buildings, commercial facilities, and industrial environments. Features: flexible air inlet and outlet. Enhances airflow for efficient dehumidification in different spaces. Eco-friendly refrigerants. Promotes clean, safe air with low environmental impact. User-friendly interface. Offers quick and clear control over the operation. Low noise operation. Maintains a peaceful environment for sensitive areas. Durable construction. Built to handle long-term daily use with ease.